How to fix Spotify auto close on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify, and when you found the Spotify guys, just open it like this and go to storage option, and here you will go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go back to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope guys this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.